to race number 9. Good luck on your third pick 5. Oh, way they go. Final judgment from the outside is Amsterdam. Luna Rosa down on the inside. Double O, go Vinny. Yes, Joey alongside Be My Queen, Harbor Magic. And moving up by Europa. Entry number 8 running at the tail of the field. And this one is Fold Your Arms. Final judgment by about 2 lengths, followed by Amsterdam on the outside by the release. Yes, Joey. Go Bini in between runners running in fifth. Luna Rosa. 6th position belongs to Double O. 7 is entry number 10. Be My Queen, Harbor Magic, Europa. And Fold Your Arms still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post. Final judgment by about 2 lengths. Yes, Joey. Amsterdam on the outside. Go Bini is still in between runners. Luna Rosa is on the outside. Double O running by the 6th, 7th position. Be My Queen, Harbor Magic, Europa, and Fold Your Arms. Rounding the quarter, Amsterdam. Final judgment. Luna Rosa is closing in third. Double O down on the inside. Yes, Joey. As they race the final corner, Amsterdam final judgment. Fighting it out for the lead. Amsterdam final judgment. Luna Rosa is on the outside third. Amsterdam final judgment. Luna Rosa is on the outside. Amsterdam, Luna Rosa, and finally Luna Rosa. Amsterdam final judgment. Double O, yes, Joey, for your Fentafect.
We just saw the very exciting race number 9, the Waterfront Hotels Trophy Race. Before we go on with our awarding, let me first introduce to you our personalities in front. Of course, from Marho, Congressman Jesse Bong Lapus. Let's give it up for Kong Jesse, and Cons Maka Asisio III, and Mr. Vic Gobon. And with them are Alessandra and Sarah. And to receive the award on behalf of Mayor Moises Villaseñor, may we call on Trainer David de la Cruz. Winning runner Luna Rosa. Medyo dehado pa si Luna Rosa sa Waterfront Hotels Trophy Race. Congratulations. Honor luck. All right, congratulations to the connections of Luna Rosa, Mayor Moises Villaseñor, and Trainer David de la Cruz and rider Deo Fernandez. Up ahead is the Santa Ana Park